searching for a way to find a path back to self-control, but it got me lost. Everybody claims the same.